Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present my presentation on the topic Tesselation. It is also my art intuitive project. I am Aradhya Gupta. I am of class 10th A, roll number 12. First we'll see the contents of the presentation. First, what is tessellation? Second, history of tessellation. Third, types of tessellation. Fourth, tessellation in mathematics. Fifth, MCH and is tessellation art. Sixth, uses of tessellation in everyday life. First, we will see what is tessellation. When a geometric shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane of tiles without gaps or overlaps, it is called tessellation. Now we'll see history of tessellation. Because of their characteristics and decorative aesthetics, tessellation were used in art and architecture alike, providing coverings for walls, pavements, and ceilings of many facilities. Origin of tessellation can be traced back to 4000 years BC, when the Sumerians used clay tiles to compose decoration features in their homes and temples. From there, tessellation found its place in the art of many civilizations, from the Egyptians, Persians, Romans, and Greeks to the Byzantines, Arabs, the Japanese, the Chinese, and the Moors. Of course, the nature and designs of tailing varied as they evolved and adapted to match each of these cultures and traditions. Today we talk about tessellation art of great M.C. Escher and a number of contemporary artists who are using the concepts of tailing to create artworks in a different variety of media. Here you can see the different examples of tessellation. Now we'll see tessellation in mathematics. When it comes to tessellation in mathematics, also known as trilling, it is necessary to explain several technical terms that geometry operates with. A fundamental region is a shape that is repeated in order to form a tessellation. It is also called the tile. An edge is an intersection between two bordering tiles that is often a straight line. A vertex is a point of intersection of three or more bordering tiles. A polygon is a plane figure with at least three straight sides and angles, and typically five or more. Now we'll study about MC and his tessellation art. The 20th century artist Moritz Cornelis Escher created some of the most memorable woodcuts, lithographs, mezzotints, and drawings inspired by the fictional investigation into the formal possibilities of perspective and the telling of a plane using one or more geometrical shapes. The defining moment that pushed the artist towards the creation of the art we most associate with his name was his trip to Granada, Spain, and his visit to Alhambra Palace. There, MC Escher carefully copied some of the geometrical tellings that covered the facade of the palace. From that moment, his production became less observational and formally inventive. The exploration of patterns and the regular division of planes was the richest inspiration that the artist ever faced. Now we see different types of tessellation. First, translation. A tessellation, which is the shape repeats by moving or sliding. Second, rotation, a tessellation which the shape repeats by rotating or turning. Third, reflection, a tessellation which the shape repeats by reflecting or flipping. Now we'll see uses of tessellation in everyday life. It is used in carpets. It is used for designing quilts. And it is used in fashionable clothes. By this, I end my PPT. At last, I would like to thank everyone for watching my PPT patiently.